back to my channel. So today I figured I was just gonna do a hair tutorial. Naturally my hair is very wavy. This is actually like what my natural hair looks like. It is wavy, it is, I guess, curly at times. It can get a lot more, it can have a lot more going on depending on if I sleep on it or not, or how it air dries. This is just something I like to do when I'm in a rush, or I just don't really care to do anything with my hair and I just want to keep it as natural as possible. Okay, so first off, I'm gonna take, it's been in my head all day, and I'm just gonna tie half of my hair up. I'm not going to brush my hair. I washed it and conditioned it and I let it dry overnight, and this is what we have. So I'm just not gonna even brush it. I think that just ruins the entire natural look of the hair, and I don't want it to make it look like I curled it. I want it to look a little bit more natural. I'm gonna use this bubble wand and I'm just gonna go in small pieces and just take my hair underneath, go up in different types of directions just so it looks as natural as possible. So let's just do that. So when I'm done curling the piece I want curled, I kind of just like brush my fingers through it so it doesn't really look like a curl and it's a little bit more just like brushed out. Sometimes I'll just do the top of the hair or the more of the bottom piece depending on what area is a little bit more flatter. This is a little bit more straight and this has more of a wave to it. So I'm just gonna do a little bit of the top and just hold the rest of the piece out. That looks better to me, so I'm just gonna keep doing this to my entire head. This is the final hair look and I hope you guys love it as much as I do. This only took me under 10 minutes to do. This is a hairstyle I go for if I know I'm gonna be late somewhere and I don't feel like doing my hair. Look at how pretty this is, and it just looks messy and really beachy. If you already have some texture in your hair, you definitely should go ahead and try this and see if you like it as much as I do. So if you haven't already, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Does this look okay? Yeah, it's fine. I feel like this is tight. No, it doesn't feel tight, but like, yeah, you might want to get a bigger size. Really? Yeah. Think about just washing it. Like, it's gonna get tighter. And that's all I got for this video today. I will see you guys in my next video.